Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to be continuing our Journey palette, and we're going to be using the Natasha Denona Ayana palette today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then stay tuned. Okay, we are starting this tutorial out by using a little Hank & Henry's Lucid liquid lipstick, and I'm just doing my brows. Okay, so today we are going to be using the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. I'm taking this shade right here, which is called Harlow. And I'm just going to place this right above my crease and blend it upwards. Okay, so now we're taking the shade called Crease, and I'm just doing exactly that, putting it in my crease. Okay, so now we're taking the shade Lash Line, and I'm just going to place that on this outer corner area and kind of into the crease of it too. All right, so now we're gonna take Satin Skin. That's gonna go in the middle of our lid, and then we're going to go in with Glam Green, and that's gonna go towards the front of the lid.
Sound waves reaching the microphone are changed into impulses of electric current.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidental.
Taking that same liquid lipstick, I'm just going to line my waterline with this. And then we're gonna go back in with that darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to kind of connect that outer corner with the lower lash line area. And I'm only bringing this dark color to about the middle of the lower lash line area. I'm not going all the way in. Then to smoke that out a little bit further, I'm taking this shade again right here. And I'm just gonna smoke that out. So now I'm taking this glitter by Star Crush Minerals. This is called Mirage, and it's like a really pretty brown glitter mixed with like a greenish silver. It kind of matches that same shade in the palette. I'm just going to very lightly apply this over top of those shades. So now I'm just taking this little shadow that happened to just break called Smash Stereo. This is by Johnny Concert. I'm just taking a little bit of this and placing this on the lower lash line inner corner area. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out with my finger. And then we're gonna go in with Johnny Concert's Dream Obscene. And this is one of those low light shadows that really take the spotlight in low lighting. Just gonna place that right into the inner corner area. It's got kind of a bluish purple sheen to it. So now I'm taking a little bit of this Thebriabeauty Hydro Liner, and this is in the shade Aztec. And I'm just going to kind of outline the whole shape of this eye towards the front. I am also creating a little bit of graphic liner coming off the edge of this, and I might line my eye as well. I'm not sure yet. Okay, so I've applied a little lash glue. I'm waiting for it to get tacky. And I made these little lashes. They are little Bepelin lashes that I painted purple, the same purple as my eyebrows and as everything else really, just to kind of tie everything in together and make it match. All right, and for my lips, I added Hank & Henry Satin Matte Lipstick in the shade Kink, and I also added that same liquid lipstick that we used on our brows called Lucid. Lucid is on the outer corners and Kink is in the center. And this is the final look, you guys. Well, that is it, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial using the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.